Ah, hello. Yeah, everybody got hungry, so I better make some food. Happens a lot. Yeah, it's been a while since I made one of these. I've been just kind of hanging around, you know. You know, when you cook live, when everything's live, there are times it gets really boring cooking. It's so easy to do that, you know, I just don't know what to do sometimes to keep people entertained cooking a can of beans. So, what do we got? Well, the surprising thing, pan full of onions and carrots. The onions have been cooking about 10 minutes on low heat. You know, they're starting to just barely say hi in terms of caramelizing. A few diced up baby carrots. A little bit of olive oil. You know, that's kind of basic stuff. So let's throw in some celery. And while I'm at it, let's throw in some green onion, or pardon me, green bell pepper. So we're just barely getting, yeah, watch my back. Some nice green bell pepper. Yeah, I'm a little out of practice. So we got some vegetables cooking up in the pan. Oh, so exciting. Yeah, trying to remember what that joke was that I had saved for you guys. No, of course I can't. So, these are kind of a French-style take on the black beans. Very basic, you know, onions, carrots, celery, green bell pepper. It's sort of Provençal style, which is French for adding tomatoes. So I've got a little tomato paste. Let's see if we can't get you a better view on what we're doing here. So we're going to do that Lydia Bastianich trick of creating a space in the middle. Add a little tomato paste and fry that up. Oh, Doggy Chef is here. Hi, Mr. Dog. Whoop. Oh, he's just looking at me. What are you trying to say, Dad? Okay, so fry up your tomato paste a little bit in the middle there. Yeah, I don't even have salt in here yet. Those of you who've been with me a while know that we do a lot with beans. And it's like, oh, you found a new recipe for beans? Yeah. People have been eating beans for centuries. Finding a new recipe for beans isn't all that hard, trust me. Okay, we got to turn that up a little bit. I had it down low so I could cook the onions properly. That's going to need a little bit of salt too. Okay. Black beans. Just a can of black beans, drained, not rinsed. I want the starch in the bottom of the can to act as a thickener in my soup. Oh, winter's here. My sinuses are letting me know that things are changing outside. Okay. I know, cooking. It's so exciting. Let's throw in some fresh rosemary and thyme. We have these growing in the yard. I'm very fortunate with that. Couple of bay leaves. Ooh, nice fresh. You can always tell, just use your nose and try not to drop them on the floor like that. There we go. Oh. Yeah, one of the things I do is set out all the ingredients ahead of time and then just cook. When you know the ingredients and how they cook, you basically make the recipe. And that's one of those things that comes with experience. What I'm doing right now is pushing the fresh herbs down into the vegetables. Okay. That is going to need a little chicken stock. Just to juice it up. I want the herbs to have something to cook in. And it's a little dry. And yes, I said chicken stock. But I'm not participating tonight. So, for those of you playing along at home, I'm being good. So, chicken stock. Okay. So, big question. What makes these French-style black beans? Well, first of all, it's a selection of herbs. Rosemary, thyme, and bay leaves. That's good. There is a French technique with onions. Let the onions cook for 10 minutes, not browning, before you add anything else. And then there's the classic French ingredient, heavy cream. So, that's it. I'm going to let those cook now. So the carrots will be nice and soft. Bell peppers, of course, will be nice and soft as well. So these are beans in a heavy herbal cream. Heavy duty herbal cream base. And just before I serve, I'll add some Marsala, or you could use Madeira, and let the alcohol cook off. Takes about 5 minutes. So that's it. Dinner. Yeah, we did that live. Onions, carrots, celery, green bell peppers, can of black beans, rosemary, thyme, bay leaves, little chicken stock, little cream, and then just before serving, a little Marsala or Madeira. So that's it. This is social media. Please be good social citizens and subscribe. I'm going to let that cook for about 20 minutes and it'll be ready. So that's it. Thank you and goodbye.